All right, Ken Orange Steer Trader back with the daily chart weekend review for this past week for the second week in February. So let's not waste time, get right into it. I'm only going to be looking at, of course, candle 3 and candle 4 whenever they did happen. And remember when we trade the daily chart, excuse me, we're looking for price. We're trading off the highs and lows of the week. I'm not going to drop down to the 5 minute this time because we've just, if you want to do that for yourself, you can. I'm going to treat each entry as pretty much the open price. So if you got in around the open price of the daily candle, that was the trading candle for that day. I'm going to measure from there to see how far each pair fell. So here we go. It's a Euro. Monday was candle 1. Tuesday was candle 2. So Wednesday would have been the best trading day for this day. From the open price fell at the most about 59, 60 pips or so. So getting, you could have got more than 50 if you were in near the high of the day. And as we can see, just consolidated for the rest of the week. So it didn't do much. There was no candle 4 here because remember, candle 3, even though candle 3 did close below candle 2, it just consolidated. It didn't do anything. So it stayed inside of candle 3's range. So there was no continuation short there. A little bit, but not much. So candle 3 would have been the best trading opportunity for Euro on Wednesday. For Euro Yen, this one, let's see. So we had Monday being candle 2 from Friday's range. Friday was candle 1, the prior Friday. Monday of this week was candle 2, and then Tuesday gave candle 3. So from candle 3's open down, gave 200 pips, and then there was a candle 4 continuation because candle 4 closed below candles 1 and 2, and it was just a straight drop. So just unreal price action here. This was really great. This one fell another 226 pips. So this one trade right here would have been great. You could have took a candle 3 or 4. This was ideal. So again, this one for Tuesday or this one for Wednesday, and that would have been more than enough. So you don't have to take a trade every single day. If you can get a couple good trades a week, that's more than enough to do okay. All right. So yeah, but I like candle 4s that close below candle 1 and 2, which is like this right here. So it's just a breakout of the range, to put it simply. All right. So next up, let me get rid of these drawings. Next up was see Euro CAD. So this one, it went in both directions actually. So candle 1 was on the prior Friday. Candle 2 was Monday, which made the high of the week. So the best trading day would have been Tuesday. So from the open down, you could have got like 52 pips out of that or so from the open. And then we also noticed that then the next candle, there was no candle 4 continuation here. Actually, it swept to the low and then closed inside. So this is, just reversed basically. So this would have been a candle 1, 2, and then candle 3 here to the upside. So Thursday could have given you a long bias, and it would have paid out from the open price about 40, and back up to the top of range, about 50 pips or so. So you got that. Candle 2, or sorry, candle. There was no real candle 4 here. A little bit, but not much. It retraced some and then came up, but not enough to really shout about. So candle 3, either way, long or short would have been the best option for you here. Take the short on Tuesday or the long on Thursday, either one. All right. So next one was pound New Zealand, where we had the low of the week here. This was candle 1 on Wednesday, candle 2 on Thursday. Friday gave candle 3. And from the open, it didn't go too far. About 36, 37 pips or so, this being candle 3 right here. So not a lot on that one, but that was about it. GJ, I think GJ did the same thing as EJ. So yeah, you got the open. You got candle 1, which was Friday, candle 2, Monday, and then candle 3 and 4 here, respectively, Tuesday and Wednesday. You did get a reversal on a slight reversal here. This is kind of like an imperfect one because it didn't close exactly inside of this range candle here, but you did get, I think I did take this trade long for Friday to just get a retrace because it had dropped so hard. So you did get that where it's pretty much just a straight rise. But really the best trade once again was the short side. So from candle 3 from the open was 277 pips, and then candle 4 dropped at the most 234. Sorry, 240 pips. So again, yen, pound yen and euro yen were the best trades of the week. Euro Aussie gave candle 1 Wednesday, candle 2 Thursday, Friday gave candle 3 from the open. Price went up 91 pips, so that would have been a good payday for anyone trading Friday, the Friday candle 3. And last but not least, pound CAD. You had the range candle 1 Tuesday, candle 2 on Wednesday, candle 3 was on Thursday. And that was pretty much it. Not exactly a candle 4 here. I know it did continue, but remember, I like to see candle 3. It has to, if I'm long, candle 3 either has to close above candle 2 or above candle 1 and 2. It basically has to break out of the range. It didn't do that here. Now, it did break out of the range here, but by then, I only trade 4. I look at the candle range theory and market structure in 4 candles at the most. So it will be like a complete cycle would be not that. Would be something like which one was it? The one where it came back was it Euro Aussie? Not quite something like this, but yeah. Okay, so you could say like taking both sides, like trading off of this high of the week here, and then trading off this low of the week here, or better yet, no pound yen. This is it, yeah. So you got 1, 2, 3, okay, and then candle 4, and then somewhat of a reversal right here is ideal, something like that, because price it doesn't move in a straight line, all right. So once candle 4 completes, right, and breaks out of the range, at this point, in a perfect world, I'm looking for possibly another CRT to the upside, just a slight retrace. So just a 1, 2, 3 after this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a retrace. Okay, but the same structure in reverse. So 1, 2, and then somewhat of a candle 3 long option there. But obviously, euro uh, yen didn't do that. It did go up to the upside some, but then it came right back down. So this right here is pretty much just the inside day. I have no bias for that for going into Monday. So that's pretty much it. That's the weekend review. I hope you got something out of that. Definitely subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you enjoy the content, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.